Good morning, everybody. Today is the day I'm going to show you guys coupons or deals on Savings Star. Now, Savings Star is an app that, if you guys aren't sure, that they have deals on here kind of similar to coupons. They're just like coupons. They usually say you can't use coupons with this, but you know, most of the time they approve it, and especially if you have your card linked to like CVS, they'll approve it anyways. So definitely link your card to CVS if you guys haven't already. I also have it linked to my local grocery store too, so then I don't have to submit my receipts and it does it for me. Now, these deals are hot deals sometimes where they don't last. So if you guys go back like tomorrow or even later today, they could be gone. So I always say check on Sunday mornings to add it to Savings Star. So let's just dig in and I can show you guys. So right here we have $1 off of the All, 50 cents off of Snuggle. We got 50 cents off of Angel Soft, 70 cents off of Sparkle paper towels. We got brownies, sorry, I want some brownies. Colace, which I'm not going to really get that. It's not going to go away so fast. Here we got Prilosec, Gasix, Benefiber, Del Monte. I'm going to add that just in case. I probably won't get it, but... And a lot of these are also the same deals in Checkout 51, and usually you can only choose one or the other, but I prefer to do Checkout 51 because that resets. Savings Star never resets. But here we got Viva, and we got Pillsbury Frozen, whatever that is, and then these are deals that are here pretty much all month long. So I'm not sure if there's anything that's really popular. Here we got $1.25 off Talente. And then, yeah, more Talente, Gelato. Cremo, I know those are all on Savings Star. I don't know. Savings Star has just been kind of sad to me. Just kind of sad. Let's see. Walmart, $1.50 off the Love and Beauty. I've yet to even check those prices on that stuff. Turkey Hill, Clorox, Dole, and then that seems to be it. So there are some decent deals that you guys want to add to your account, and add them quickly because some of those will not be around, especially like the All. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.